Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Teaching of Environmental Studies. It's a DLED ETT first year book of Government of Himachal Pradesh. It's in Hindi medium, as you can see. And this is the bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's as per the new syllabus pattern. So let's check out and review this book, whether how good is it. The cover of this book is very nice. It's completely matched the title of the book. So let's check out this book, Teaching of Environmental Studies in Hindi. So Unit 1, Concept of Environmental Studies, and the further topics you can see. Then Unit 2, Understanding Children's Ideas. Unit 3, Planning and Classroom Transaction. And then Unit 4, Assessment. This is there. Now we have to check the contents, whether the contents match the syllabus or not, whether everything which was there in syllabus match the contents, everything content has or not. Let's check. Unit 1, like concept of environmental studies, meaning, scope, importance, evolution as a curricular subject, curriculum organization, and so far so on. In EVS as EVS science, is EVS in an integrated area of study, and at the end EVS as social science. Let's check whether it was in syllabus unit part 1 or not. So Unit 1, meaning, scope, importance of EVS, curriculum organization, and at the end, then EVS as an integrated area of study, and then at the end EVS as EVS science and EVS social science. So it's completely there. Therefore Unit 1 is perfectly fine. You can check out Unit 2 now. Unit 2, Understanding Children Ideas, Characteristics of Children Ideas with respect to developmental age, Characteristics of Children Idea with respect to development of the Piaget, then Brunner, then Analysis School Book of age, appropriateness, relevance based on school, until that is there. You can check out in syllabus now. Characteristics of Children Idea with respect to development stage of Piaget and Brunner, implication for children ideas for classroom transaction, then Analysis Children textbook. It's completely there. Now we have to check Unit 3, planning and classroom transaction, concept, meaning, types of concept mapping, then unit plan and lesson plan concept. You can check construction of unit plan, and it's till emotional skill, attitudes and values. You can check in Unit 3. See, concept mapping, unit plan, and it should be till, you can check life skill, thinking skill, emotional skill. It's completely there. So Unit 3 also cover everything, and it has more than the more than the required thing, and it's covered in, everything is covered in detail. You can check Unit 4 now. Evolution, concept of evolution, importance of evolution, and till its assessment thing is till, grading system, different ways of assessing, using assessment for further clearing. You can check out now syllabus. Assessment, evaluation, concept, importance, types, till different ways of assessing and reporting, assessment for further learning. So Unit 1, 2, 3, 4 all are clear. Contents cover everything of the syllabus. Contents are absolutely right. Now we have to check whether another thing is the contents are highlighted in both the languages, in English and Hindi, to make it comfortable for any kind of reader, for English reader and Hindi reader to understand it. Now we have to verify whether the pages which are there in front of contents are accurate or not. For example, page 85, Characteristics of Children in India with respect to development stage of Brunner. It's whether it's accurate page or not, whether this topic will be found on particular page or not. Let's check on page 85. See, page 85, Brunner thing is absolutely given with the pictorial representation. Now check another page number, and we check from the Unit 4, page 322, short answer type. Let's check whether it's there or not. See, page 322, short answer text is completely there. So page numbers are also right. Contents cover everything of the syllabus, and also page numbers are very accurately mentioned. You can go to any page number, find that particular topic and read it, and the topics of inside the matter of the books are also highlighted in both English and Hindi to make it comfortable for any kind of reader. If you are a fan of English speaking thing, you can also buy this book because the contents are highlighted in both the languages. In the back page of the book, other books are also mentioned of first year books and guest papers of Vinod Publications, Himachal Pradesh, ETT are also mentioned. You can check them out, and price of the book is just 199.50 rupees, which is very less and reasonable price and incredible price because the book has 336 pages and it has so much in detail. Everything is completely covered, and 199.50 is an amazing price. It's an incredible price, extraordinary price, because it's a very less price, and this book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly also at 9218-219218, and book will be delivered to within 3-4 days time only. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check other books of Vinod Publications. You can also go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books and buy them. And if you want to buy this book offline from any bookstore nearby your location, you can buy it also from any bookstore which has ETT books. You will definitely buy this book, find this book and at 199.50 rupees. So buy it online or offline, or from bookstore or from Amazon, Flipkart or phone number, it's your choice. I think 199.50 is a very good price for this book. You should definitely buy it. So I'd highly recommend Teaching of Environmental Studies of the most trusted educational publishing firm of India, Vinod Publications. I highly recommend it. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.